Welcome to my channel. Let's talk about YouTube payment. Of course, so many people have been asking me, what's the YouTube payment? How much do YouTube pay for 1 million views? Well, in this video, I will show you how much YouTube actually pay me. It's not what I want to talk. It's something I want to show you so you can see how much YouTube actually paid me. Well, I was monetized last year, 2021, May 31st. That was when I was monetized. And since then, I'm going to show you, I've gotten about 1 million views actually. Yeah, so, but this video, why do lions not attack, is the highest view that have actually earned me the bigger money on YouTube. Though before then, my channel was all about animal, and now my channel is all about cryptocurrency, how to make money online. The next one that actually made money is Shiba Inu, and then Shiba Inu also make me a lot of money. Now these two videos here actually is 57,000 views, and they've only given me $200. Why this particular one is 840-something thousand views and give me $637. Now my channel, if you check my channel, so recently I'm doing about what I'm recording about cryptocurrency, and that is why my RPM actually would increase. This is my channel total views, 1.3 million views, and I've gotten 10,300 subscribers, and YouTube have actually paid me a total amount of $1,577 for 1 million views. Remember, this is they say your channel has gotten 1,276,304 views so far, but this 276,000 will not be counted because my channel actually I gained 270 something thousand before I was monetized. Remember, you need to have 4,000 hours watch time and 1,000 subscribers for you to be able to apply for monetization and be accepted. So this 270,000 will not be counted because I've only gained this particular view before I was monetized. That simply means my channel have got to 1 million views since I was monetized, and that 1 million view have actually earned me $1,577. If you take a look at this place, you will see that this particular video have earned me $637. Why do lions not attack when you're safari vehicle? Because I was doing, like I said before, my channel was all about animal video before I switch over to how to make money online with cryptocurrency. Now, what surprised me is this, that you need to understand about what YouTube is, that this particular video is 842,000 views and I've earned $637. Now, this particular one is just 37,000 views, and this one where Shiba Inu reached $1 in 2025 have actually earned me $81. So if you combine these two together, that simply means these two videos have actually earned me $200, and these two videos in total view have gotten 57,000 views. Now take a look at these two videos. This one is 600 and something dollars, 842,000 views, and this is 57,000 views, $200. That's to show you that anything that have to do with finance, anything that have to do with how to make money online, the RPM are always higher than when you are doing the comedy or when you are kind of doing any other thing that is not related to finance, because actually those advertised on YouTube are mostly the financial companies, so they tend to advertise their product mostly on finance. So this my channel, as you can see here, I've actually gotten 1.3 million views, which means the 1 million views have actually earned me $1,577. And this is why I wanted to do this video, so you could able to know how much YouTube have actually paid me forward for 1 million views. So for 1 million views, I have actually earned $1,577. Once again, if you like this video, if you have any question, kindly drop your comment in the section below and I'm going to answer your questions. And remember, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button in order not to miss my next video, what we do with our crypto trading, crypto prediction, and how to make money online in general.